she at?
What?
Yeah, in case people can't read, you know, we don't want to discriminate.
Right.
Everybody gets them.
Do I have to howl with this?
You don't have to, but
But after my fifth beer, I will.
Fair enough. And by the way, we've got your kids. Pay for this on the way.
Show us what you got, wolf ears. What is that, a wolf?
Put it in the
Yeah.
car and put that-
Guess he's part of our wolf pack. Too sweetie. Show the camera what you got. He's got his wolf and a shirt that says bear to the bone, even though he's a wolf. But it works, right?
When I say go, you're gonna step on that big spot right there, okay?
Be a pro at this mini golf.
Ah. Close enough.
The avid bowler, Steve off. He's waiting for the pins. There they are. Throws it. Oh, it's all but two.
Nice little room overview here. Fireplace.
And we can run around.
And we could try to catch a raccoon with your plushie raccoon, right?
Hey, Dad.
But
Now I know what you mean by the raccoon.
yeah, took you a while. See? Right there.
Travel to the shore gate. So we have to
A fern! Ferny, ferny, fern, fern, fern.
You get the treat too, man.
$200 gold! Jackpot!
Nice job. What about this one?
Hot shot.
Hey, you just got 100 gold! Can I have some?
smoking hot.
Can you do this one
It's
again?
not.
Doing our MagiQuest quest of magic, right?
Ooh, I love lightning bugs! On, off.
Oh,
On,
cool.
off, on, off.
Watch the video.
wand you're holding? Haha, that must be how you found your way here. I'm Foley, caretaker of the Source Tree, and this is the forest realm of Valara. Sorry that it isn't more green.
Well, isn't this a cheery
You already got
bedtime
this one,
story?
silly.
Huh. 200 gold. All for you.
Spotlights to light the way. Press the light on the hat to see
Mirror
what you
maze.
discover. Wow! Look at all these colorful gems. Let's try another light. Maybe we'll find the moonstone.
Watch out. Is that everything? Or just
I don't know. Oh, there we go.
Fuses are lit. Let's count it down. 3, 2, 1.
Nice job.
Whoa! That was quite the explosion. Everyone okay? What lies behind?
Back and forth.
back and forth.
Yeah.
Good job. We're making progress. Keep those pickaxes moving. We're almost there. Do you see that glow? I think we found something. We've done it! We found rough cuts of moonstone. These need to be loaded into carts and polished so they can shine. Congrats, explorers! You've made a way through Moonstone Mine, but your journey can still continue. Let's go.